Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers kan ajilaga main headlines. Olop din age Lower Town Council elections day NPF duta seats jitishe aru independent ekta seat. NSA and IM Pranaga cause our framework agreement apart akhanaga commitment aru bi ekbar junadishi. Angami Students Union pra Kohimate minor laga alleged sexual assault hoto strongly condemn krishi. Sunday din International Yoga Day lubile thakato manubishi pra against scrappage day government pra postpone kurdishi. Nagaland te Tinta Town Council wards te by election loate Naga People's Front NPF party duita seats by kote seat ektato independent candidate pra jitishe. Counting to aji election officials like a supervision under bhal pra complete hoishe. Voka Town Council Ward number 8 Sumang Biteto NPF candidate AR Aling Lotapra BJP candidate Momo Humtsoike 37 votes pra haraishe. Lota 296 votes paishe kote 562 votes cast kurate 558 valid thakishe aru charta reject krishe. Itu jita pra ita Lota ward councillor hisabte elect hoikna ase kun pra ward laga civic or developmental kam khan represent kuribo. Atoizu Town Council Ward number 9 Samba Khoki Teto independent candidate Inaka Z Chishi 17 votes prajudishe. Chishi 102 votes paishe kote NPF candidate G Shikavi Kiba 85 votes paishe. Kote Chumukitima Town Council Ward number 11 Teto NPF candidate Nichu Ukutso 326 votes prajudikina BJP candidate Kezanguto Zotsuke haraishe. Chumulaga by election ito former councillor Kenny Seto Medoza Murijani Mitelwalaga ase ito tinta elections te bi ektam close contest sabole paishe. Kifri police pra 82 sal elderly Maki ke Kifri district te allegedly sexually assault or rape kra case te armed branch constable ekta ke arrest kurikina suspend kurdishe. Kifri police PRO hisab te Kifri women police station te June 17 tarik din High School Ward Kifri Tepra sexual assault laga complaint papichte case registered kurishi koishe. PRO Junashi ki FIR alleged kurishi ki Heloi ki in Sanglungkun ke Amos koikinabi mate title DF Kifri regiment number 240397 te ekta branch constable ase Kunpra ward itulaga 82-year-old elderly Maki ke sexually assault or rape kurishi koikna junadishe. Complaint pa opor PRO Junashi ki police jolti to same din te hi accused ke dudishi koishe. Victim ke district hospital ki frite medically examine kurishe kote accused ke formally arrest nakura age medical examination loishe koikna junadishe. Initial medical legal findings hisabte examination time accused to mudu khaikina thakishe koikna PRO pra junadishe. Police Junashi ki nutun criminal laws hisabte Forensic Science Laboratory FSL Dimapur Tepra forensic experts laga team ke investigate modod dibule mati shikoishi team ja kali jagate punchikina crime scene tepra forensic evidence collect kurishi koikna state krishi. Incident itu janibole pate police department pra accused ke joldi suspension under dhalikina tai ki kurishi to opor departmental proceedings shuru kurishi koikina junadishe. PRO Junashi ki accused police custody te ase aru further investigation loikina jaise koikina state krishi. PRO bi Junashi ki Kifri DEF or Nagaland police joldi justice dibone mite takhan ki kurble pare sop kurikina jabolete committed ase koishi. Nagaland State Commission for Women NSCW Konyak Nyupu Sheko Kong KNSK Nagaland Ziliang People's Organization NZPO Senior Citizens Association Nagaland SCAN aru Ziliang Students Union Nagaland ZLSU Nishna alak-alak organizations union aru civil society organizations pra Kifri te police personnel Haloiki in Sanglung pra allegedly 82 sal Maki ekjun ke rape krato strongly condemn kurishi. Alak-alak statements the organizations pra incident ituto human dignity pura puri bhangai dikna public laga bisas bikri kuri dia laga ase koishi especially ekta enforcement officer hoikina eneka kurani mite koikina junadishe. Takhan pra survivor ar talaga family ke solidarity junadikina fear impartial ar joldi investigate kurikina accused against ektam strict legal action lubule demand kurishi. Organizations pra authorities ke victim ke justice logote ki support lage or protection lage dibole urge kurikina citizens or media ke investigation loikina ja time survivor laga dignity or privacy to respect kur dibole appeal krishi. NSC and IM Eastern Flank pra Hebron Leadership Framework Agreement laga important goals kan charekina Naga political issue opor komzor position accept kura accused kura pichte Hebron headquarters se joint council meeting law time NSCN IM pra Naga political movement or 2015 Indo-Naga framework agreement opor takhan naga commitment to Arabi ekbar junadishi. Press statement te MIP junashi ki joint council pra Naga national movement te challenges thaka khan opor kotha koikina alak resolutions pass kurishi koishi council pra state kurishi ki NSCN GPRN Yariwo Q Tuku Kedalo Tongmed Wangnao Atokilonser TH Muiva aru Deputy Atokilonser Lieutenant General Retired VS Atem laga collective leadership under takan sacred Naga national cause to kitiabi surrender kuranai aru kitiabi nakrubo koikna junadishi. Takan bi NSCN GPRN ke modod dikna collective leadership aru Naga manuke takan naga nijor laga future decide kurbo nimite takan naga struggle te bi age lui jabole opor support junadishi. Council bi Indo-Naga framework agreement to protect, defend aru cholaikna jabole opor takhan laga commitment aru bi ekbar juna dikna itu to ekta honorable political settlement nimite ekta dangor foundation ase koishe NSCN IM pra Naga citizens regional authorities aru Naga cause bujidia sob ke eneka important time te collective leadership logote ekta kurikna khara kurikna jabo nimite juna deshi. Angami Students Union ASU pra 17-year-old Mikey K, 34-year-old church youth leader kun reportedly Kohima Bustite prase, tai pra allegedly sexually assault krato strongly condemn kurishi. ASU President DZVZ Nakro or General Secretary Raju Sele Chuchapra ek ituto human rights pura puri bhangakina minor laga innocence opor ekta dangor assault ase koishi junto tolerate kurble na paribo koikna junadashi. ASU junashi ki enaka action nimite society te jaga nai aru ituto community prachola values laga ekdam opposite ase koikna junadashi. Takan bi church leader ekta enaka incident involve fa opor concern junadikina state kuishi ki worship kura jaga to safety aru bisas laga jaga hisabte sai koishi. Eneka act opor zero tolerance junadikina ASU pra jawan manu khan ke to nishna offenses pra bachaikna rakhibula opor junadishi. Union junashi ke eneka incidents pra khali victims or takhan laga families ke ekla nohoikna jaga kote moral or spiritual leadership ase to khante pra public laga confidence to committee hoi jai koikna junadishi. Accused ke arrest kura to acknowledge koikna union pra police ke thorough or impartial investigation lobule urge kurishi or law hisabte justice to dibonimite junadishi. Union pra concerned authorities ke Mikey aru bacha against crime to nahubo nimite steps khan strong ola kurikna manukun galti kure to khan ke accountability ensure kurble urge kurishi as you pra victim ar takhanaga family logote solidarity junadishi. Student body civil society organizations or church groups pra Nagaland International Yoga Day June 21st tarikh Sunday dinte lobule thakar opor strongly against Krapichti state government pra school education department ke even to June 22 tarikh Monday dinte postpone kuri dibole direct rishi principal director school education ke under secretary to the government Yitsuchu Trakapra letter pothate junashi ki even itu Sunday dinte hwanimite alag dinte postpone kurble lage koishi. Letter pra department ke directive itu kiman joldi pare sob educational institutions ke issue kurble request koikna state kurishi ki decision itu to chief secretary laga approval pitch de lwa laga ase koikna junadishi.